Alright, now we have the blocker plate removed from the cutout of the stock system with no catalytic converter. Cab, windows up, air conditioner kind of on with the Diamond Eye 4-flow 4-inch. Alright, just real quickly wanted to give my feelings on these systems. I've had two of these trucks and a Cummins, and the biggest thing I found is to always go with a full system right from the beginning. On both trucks I've cut the mufflers off, or this one I did a cutout, which was cool, but it just doesn't work as well as just putting a whole nice system on it. I've always had them straight piped. It's way, way louder in an Excursion, especially pointing out at the ground like it is than it is in a pickup truck. So I don't recommend straight piping Excursions, and I really like the sound. It's just after a while it just gets old. You can't talk around the truck or anything, or in it. And the drone's pretty intense. So this is the first time that I've had a muffler, and I really like it. It kind of deadens a lot of the groan of the engine and really brings out the turbo, but then you've got that throaty V8 sound. And the turbo comes out a lot more. You can definitely hear that there's a lot more airflow than over the stock muffler, but the difference is when it's straight piped, you can't hear the difference because the sound is so loud from the engine. So it's pretty cool with the higher flow, and it's still quiet enough where you can hear the turbo. In addition, I definitely noticed a performance enhancement. Not over the cutout. It's probably this. Well, actually, I think it is probably more responsive with the bigger downpipe. And I did notice a decrease in the EGTs. I ask a lot of this truck. It has to, take me out in the woods, camping and four-wheeling and all that stuff. And then I hauled 10,000 pounds of water with it up that hill in the last video several times a week. So heat is a big problem. And lately with the temperatures like they are and crossing the mountain passes with the air conditioning on and stuff, I've just been struggling to keep it cool enough. So I think this is going to be a great solution, and big thanks to Riffraff Diesel, as always, for awesome parts. And I ordered it on Wednesday, and it showed up Thursday. No, I ordered it Tuesday night, and it showed up Thursday. That's awfully fast for free shipping and a really nice exhaust system. It was pretty easy to install, and no problem. So thanks again, Clay. Oh, and I also wanted to comment on the drone specifically. It sounds pretty good in the truck. I mean, if you wanted it to be really quiet like the stock muffler, then you might need to get one that's quieter. But as far as it goes for this, it kind of just sounds like being in a really nice V8. Inside with the windows, it's not overwhelming or anything. So I really like it a lot. I'm very happy with it. It's a good balance. And then with the windows down, it sounds just as good as straight piped, if not better. So I highly recommend getting a mufflered system for the Excursion, and this one is really nice.